I was able to gain the knowledge and skill to overcome challenging projects in my work. And also, actually, this learning experience and degree got me to promote higher position in my organization. With the role of purchasing specialist, I had to deal with a lot of data to analyze and make a forecast. So I wanted to have a knowledge to deal with those data. And so I started MITx MicroMaster program. After completing the MITx MicroMaster program, I chose to pursue a master's degree in global supply chain management. And I chose Purdue University for 3 reasons. The variety of courses that are specialized in technologies, where I can learn Python, SQL, and other data management skills. The second reason is the flexibility of the program. I can pursue whole program fully online, so that fit me as well. And the third reason is the reputation of the school, not only from the college rankings, but also from the reputation from my colleagues. So the degree helped me a lot with the data analytics skill. I had to deal with a lot of data set. There are many courses that I was able to learn how to deal with huge data with using like multiple program like Excel, Python, and SQL. By learning that skill, I was able to dig deeper into the system that I'm using at the company. Before the course, I was able to run the system really superficially, but after learning the language, I was able to improve the system by using that language. So that helped me a lot for my job.